This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Adrienne Parker. Nestled away on a cul-de-sac west / an extremely thought-out floor plan, this 3-story coastal vacation home is a rental powerhouse. Located on the ocean side of Route 12, it's only 3 blocks / 3 miles / 6 minutes from ocean access. This beauty sleeps 19. Open concept great room west / cathedral ceilings, 4 bedrooms west / ensuites, 3 addt'l bedrooms and a flex room, 2.5 addt'l baths, heated pool, hot tub, outdoor shower, pool table freight lift, an oversized driveway that can fit up to 10 full-sized cars. Newer Lovesac furniture, large dining room table and a fully stocked kitchen west / 2 dishwashers, 2 refrigerators and deep freezer. Community bike path, shopping and restaurants nearby. Renters keep returning, made over $98,000 in 2021, almost $65,000 in 2022, $68,000 in 2023, $70,000 in 2024 while still booking, already $53,000 confirmed for 2025. Whether a private vacation home for yourself or continued investment rental, you definitely don't want to miss out on this one. July 31, 2024. For more information,